Look at the stars. Whenever you feel alone, the great kings of the past will always be up there to guide you. And so will I.
Que salvini la buena mona, que salvini milele, que salvini la buena mona, que salvini buena mona.
Ang laki ah. Lalaki nila kasi malaki yung TV. Ang lalaki nila.
My friends, the time of my family's growth is upon us.
My friend.
This home we share is the fulfillment of my father's vision. How wonderful is it that Nala and I get to continue his dream and make even greater the circle of life. Nala, my love, I'm on my way.
Yung nalala mo yung iniinom nila?
I'm here.
Oo.
I'm here.
Yun ang iniinom.
Security detail has arrived!
One gentle reminder, we are not food.
No. We are just two guys walking to work through a pride of hungry lions.
Which is perfectly normal. I'm not terrified. Security detail reporting for duty, Your Grace, Your Highness.
Ruler of all four-legged creatures.
And that one three-legged zebra.
Oh, right, Ron. That was tragic.
It was an eaten Ron.
Yeah.
Ron has 3 legs. That's still one more than me.
Well, are those arms or legs?
I don't know. I think they're paws.
I don't know what
I consider all those.
Guys, this is serious. I need you to stay with Kiara until I get back.
Are you saying that your security detail has been called on to
Nag-start na ba yan?
Babysitting? Pumbaa, we should really discuss this because I don't really love children.
Guys, I
Start
promise
na
you
yan.
everything will be okay.
Ada start?
That's one way to parent. It's gonna have to grow up sometime. What else did you tell her? That she can be whatever she wants to be? That life is
I
fair?
need you two to try and act like adults,
Bakit
okay?
yung doon sa ano,
Don't
maliliit pa lang
scare
sila, ba't malaki na
Kiara. And most of
dyan?
all, no stories.
No stories.
Wait a second.
I know where your head goes. I grew up with you too.
Eh, ada.
Okay, you know what? Fine. No stories.
Speak for yourself, Pumbaa.
No, shh.
We'll tell a story anyway.
Okay, well, Tom, we're not going to tell a story.